the edge of the forest where the bushveld breathes, we find our peace beneath the fever trees. There's where we'd always stay, Unit 91 tucked far away, with chameleons hiding, the warthogs play, and Luca and Mateo laugh all day. I lean by my side, my folks close too, starting the year in shades of green and blue. Mabalingwe, where the wild things begin, where the world slows down and the hearts breathe in. From lions roar to the soft hyena song, that's where our family has always belonged. We ride the trails in 4x4s through muddy paths and open doors. Buffalo stare and giraffes glide by under the bold South African sky. Bird songs echo through the trees, 200 wings on the warmest breeze. We'd swim, we'd laugh, we'd light the braai and toast the stars in the summer sky. Mabalingwe, where the wild things begin, where the wild hearts heal and old stories spin. From Impala's leap to the distant rhino's pace, every corner holds a sacred place. It's not just a place, it's our memory lane. A sunshine and thunder and soft summer rain. It's Grandpa's jokes and Mom's sweet smile, the kind of magic that stays a while. So here's to the moments, the mornings, the calls, but to Mabalingwe, where time gently falls. We'll come back each year, again and again, to where our story and the wild begin.